What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Into My Soul. You already know it's your girl Kia. So yes, I went back to the straight black hair. The braids were just, it just got it. They were just in for too long. Long story short, it was just heavy, and yeah, so glad to have just my straight black hair back. But yes, guys, today we are reacting to the second episode of the 4th season of My Hero Academia. I'm so excited. Last week was that recapped episode. There was no point of it, I guess, but I mean, a filler, whatever. But yes, now today we're getting into the action. So here it is, without any further ado, episode 2 of season 4. We are starting it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, the little introduction where we learn background about the world. Gran Torino! Who are you again? Oh, come on, Gran Torino. The useless successor. I'm hurt for you, Izuku. You can't depend on All Might for everything, I guess. Naito I. Oh, Overhaul! Oh my gosh, this scene. All my manga readers freaking know. I can't, oh my god, I can't wait to see it animated. This is gonna be crazy. Oh no. League of Villains! Of him specifically? Once All Might appeared, dang, everyone just went into hiding. Villain reserves. Protected species. Yes, please protect them. Oh, actually, no. I guess they're still evil. Wait. Confused. Oh. Trigger. Oh no, do not talk about All for One. Midnight Stance of a Smash! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go back and watch that episode after this. Oh, I love that fight. Ooh, threats. Are you here to challenge me? Oh, don't challenge each other. Oh my gosh. This is not gonna end good. This is not gonna end freaking good. A plan? Twice it's like, what did I do? Oh man. Present with an illusion. Oh my gosh. Oh, we need more Stain and Muscular and move all of them. But honestly, we do need more of Stain, like in all realness. So, oh no, leave my boy Twice alone. Oh no. Oh my gosh, I'm just ready for this scene. Oops, Shigaraki's not gonna like that. Go home. That was nice. Go home. Not even like a get the F out. Here it comes. Oh, no, 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 no. It's starting. It's starting. Aww. Kenny, you're not bound by common sense. Aww. No. They have something to fight for. Oh, gosh. Oh. Ooh. That's it. Game over. Damn. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's raining blood. Oh, that's really filthy. I thought, oh my god, I don't know why I thought they would censor that. Oh, here it is again. Here it is again. Ooh. Oh, goodbye, arm. Yo, if you didn't miss, Sugar Rocky would have been freaking next, my dude. There wouldn't have been no Sugar Rocky. The League Villains was over. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I thought they would censor it. They showed it in the manga. Ooh. Ooh. Damn, that was look. Yeah, they both lost a person. Oh my gosh. We owe you an arm. Oh, that's slick. Why would you want to go near him, Himiko? Like, he literally just blew up, motherfucker. You're not swear on YouTube. I'm so shook on that scene. That was crazy. And it was like raining blood. Why would they do that? Oh, and then his arm. Oh, well, I feel bad for the villains. I'm too soft. Oh, Toga. I feel bad for the villains. Yes. Damn. Why they do them like that? Talking about their backstory and saying, oh, I have something to fight for. Not anymore. Like, okay. I need to wind down. I need to wind down. Ooh. Tucker was like, oh, okay. I feel like it's such a surprise that All Might would oppose that. All Might, I feel like, would be like, oh yeah, go train and be the best you can be. But he is right that Deku does need to improve. They all need to improve. That's why they're in school. I love Present Mike. What's wrong with him? I love Present Mike. My quirk is yours, or quirk, oh my, or was, were, past tense. But I got to what? What? Oh my gosh, that pun. I got to see whatever. I can't even repeat it. I got to see. Okay. Okay. Ooh, this is where we learn. I love his character. Ugh, like, he's perfect. He's the perfect being. Them personal feelings all night. Swallow your pride and just go. The hero that always smiles. Oh, I knew what he was gonna say. He says everyone with a smile. I knew because he's only said it maybe 20 times. Oh, Mama Deku. Oh, these are so many good fights in season 3. The greatest hero, my boy. He's grown so much. I freaking love it. You'll become stronger, Deku. I believe in you. Whoo, his arms. Yay. This right here, we learn Togata is supposed to be his successor. Oh, can you imagine? Oh my gosh, could you imagine Mirio with One for All? Whew. It's been like a year and a half maybe since I've read the manga, so I feel like these small things, like, you have to make him freaking laugh, like. Jeez. Okay, but why does his stairs, why are they so long? Hello, underboob. Oh my gosh, I'm going to a convention in like a month. I cannot wait to see the cosplays of her. Bakugo. Ooh. I don't like the way he walking up on her like that. Oh, I remember this. Oh. Look at the way he's standing. Now everyone's gonna think Sir Night has some like tinkle kink. Oh gosh, that's menacing. I felt that too, Deku. Don't even worry about it. Honestly, to impress him, just get into that machine yourself. His Mario's face. Oh my gosh. Whoop. Oh. Ooh. Woo. That backfired. Yikes. Wow. How are they gonna end the episode like that? What the heck? Alright, yeah, that episode was nuts. Yo, that first scene with Overhaul and the League of Villains. I have been waiting so long. I told you, I read the manga. It's been like maybe a year or a little over a year since I read this chapter. You know what's going on right now. So I was like, I've been waiting for that scene. And that was brutal. Like, I don't know why I thought they would censor it, but like, ooh, that was just bad. You saw it go whoosh, and then you saw the blood rain down. And I was just like, yo, that was crazy. And Deku, I love Deku and his freaking All Might impersonation, but Sir Night was like, Deku doing? And guys, let's not think that Sir Night is just some kinky dude with some like tickling fetish. I definitely believe some people are just like, oh, this is all Might was into. Like, no, yeah, that was just fun. This episode, I definitely enjoyed it. I don't like the way they ended it though. Like, you can end it like that, but obviously they can because they did. But yeah, so yeah, guys, let me know what you thought about the episode in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thank you. Bye.